Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to send GIFs on WhatsApp. Maybe you want to add some fun and animated content to your conversations. So today I'm going to show you how to send GIFs on WhatsApp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your WhatsApp application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the main chat screen. In this page, find the chat or contact where you want to send a GIF. Once you have selected the chat, simply tap on the smiley icon at the left side of the text input field. This will open the emojis and stickers menu. Now, at the bottom of the screen, you will see different options. Simply tap on this GIF icon. Here, you can either browse through the available GIFs or use the search bar to find the specific GIF. For example, I will type in cat. Once you find the GIF that you want to send, simply tap on it. After selecting the GIF, you will have the option to add a caption or additional message. For example, I will type in a message. Once you are done, simply tap on the send button. After that, the recipient will receive the message with the GIF displayed as an animated image. They can tap on the GIF to view it in full animation. There you go. If you wanted to know how to send GIFs on WhatsApp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to send GIFs on WhatsApp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.